Can we close our Bank of America account online? Hey everybody, if you guys are also wondering, is it possible? Let's just go ahead in this video and find out. So, unfortunately, if you're looking to close a Bank of America account online, so if you're trying to do closing your account online, unfortunately, we cannot do it. For that, you will need to either visit a branch or call their customer service to initiate the account closure process. So for that, one of the easiest way is visiting a nearby center of Bank of America branch. So locate up the nearest branch using the bank locator on the Bank of America website itself. After that, go to the branch and inform a teller, a customer service representative, that you wish to close your account, and they will guide you through the necessary steps and paperwork. So this is a process, offline process. You cannot do it online. For that, you need to go ahead and visit a bank, or you can even call Bank of America customer service. You can find these numbers online or within the website, or uh, within the application if possible. You can just go ahead and contact the number provided and inform the representative that you want to close your account. You can look out for your nearest branch for that as well. Look out for that number, and they will verify your identity and guide you through the closure process. In that way, also, you can close your Bank of America account. So, before closing, you may remember these points, which is withdrawing your funds. Ensure you have transferred or withdrawn all the money from your account, and switch automatic payments and direct deposits. Make sure to update your payment information with any kind of services or employers that use direct deposit or automatic payments to avoid any kind of disruptions. So therefore, that is it. You may follow up this method if you would like to close your Bank of America account online. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.